Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we will begin with the class 5 GK, that is unit 1, the natural world, lesson 1. It's crawling creatures. You know what are crawling creatures? They are called reptiles. They are cold-blooded creatures. They have a bony skeleton which help them to move on the land. So let's do the exercise. रेप्टाइल्स आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. वो क्या होता है? कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. वो बहुत ठंडे एनिमल्स होते हैं, कोल्ड ब्लडेड, उनका ठंडा. एंड दे आर कवर्ड इन स्केल्स. उनकी बॉडी स्केल से कवर्ड रहती है. लाइक ऑल वर्टिब्रेट्स, रेप्टाइल्स हैव बोनी स्केलेटन. सारे वर्टिब्रेट्स की तरह रेप्टाइल्स के भी बोनी स्केलेटन्स होते हैं. दैट सपोर्ट्स देयर बॉडीज. वो क्या सपोर्ट कर, उनकी बॉडीज को सपोर्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन. Now identify these crawling creatures. We have to identify these crawling creatures. First one is Seko. It has scales on its body. That is Seko. By seeing the picture, we came to know that it is Seko. Second one क्या creature है? That is skink. 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 Third one is crocodile. That is very dangerous animal. That is crocodile. It lay eggs on sand. Fourth one is tortoise. It is a shell-like body. Now see the picture. Fifth one, that is a very common animal. That is python. It is very dangerous. That is python. 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 Sixth one is iguanas. IGUANS. IGUANS. Iguanas. Now seventh one. That is chameleon. It is a reptile. It is like a lizard. Now eighth one is turtle. Baby tortoise. Turtle. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the lesson number 2. Now let's talk about lesson number 2, plants and places. कहाँ पे कौन से plants होते हैं, कहाँ पे grow करते हैं और उनके places को क्या कहते हैं. So below are names of different places related to plants. यहाँ पे कुछ names है किसके लिए, places के जो related किससे, plants से. Here is the clue box. Name them with the help of clue box. हमें उन्हें name देना है किसकी help से, इस क्लू बॉक्स की हेल्प से. फर्स्ट वन, अ ग्रास और प्लास्टिक बिल्डिंग. एक ग्लास की या प्लास्टिक की बिल्डिंग होती है इन विच प्लांट्स आर ग्रोन. कहाँ पे प्लांट्स जहाँ ग्रो होते हैं, टू सेव देम, उन्हें बचाने के लिए, फ्रॉम बेड वेदर, किससे, बेड गंदे वेदर से, एंड टू कीप देम वार्म, उन्हें गर्माई में रखने के लिए. दैट इज ग्रीन हाउस. फर्स्ट वन, ग्रीन हाउस. Second, an area of land where international planting of fruit or nut producing trees or shrubs is done for commercial purpose. क्या कहते हैं उसको, occurred. Now third, a place where rice is grown. कहाँ पे rice grow करता है, that is paddy field. Third, paddy field. Fourth one, an area of land where grapevines are grown. Area of land जहाँ पे grapevines grow करती है, mainly for wine making. किसके लिए, wine making के लिए. That is vineyard. Fourth one, vineyard. That is, the place is called vineyard. A place where plants are grown, जहाँ पे plants grow करते हैं, to usable size, उनके usable size के लिए, to be sold to general public, आप जहाँ से plants खरीद के लाते हो, that is nursery. Now sixth one, a large piece of land where crops such as rubber and coffee are grown usually by resident laborers. कहाँ पे होती है grow? That is plantation. A place where bees are kept to collect honey. कहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा प्लेस है जहाँ पे बीज को कलेक्ट करा जाता है, मनी को कलेक्ट करने के लिए बीज को रखा जाता है, दैट इज beehive. Seventh one, beehive. Now eighth, last one, a place where we grow crops or rear animals, that is farm. Eighth one, farm. So that's all for this chapter. Let's move to the lesson number 3. So now lesson number 3, in this lesson we will talk about animals behavior, कि किस animal का क्या behavior होता है. From the clue box we will fill the answers of the fill in the blanks. So now let's do that. Fill in the blanks with the help of clue box. Here are the clue box and I have marked some answers for you. First one, it is the only mammal that survives on a diet of blood. ऐसे animal जो survive करता है diet of blood पे, that is vampire bat. Second, it has a poor sense of sight. उसकी poor sense of sight होती है. Hearing भी poor होती है, but has a good sense of smell. It is also called honey bear. What is this? It is sloth bear. Third one, it belongs to the cat family. वो cat family से belong करता है. Is a good climber. Hunts at night. Hunt करता है कब? रात में. And sound like a very fast car. It is jaguar. This animal can sleep with one eye open. That is, which animal can sleep with one eye open? That is dolphin that lives in water. Fifth one, the only animal in the cat family that lives in an organized group, जो organized group में रहता है, cat family से belong करता है, that is lion. That is the king of jungle. It is fast and agile and snake killer. Fast and agile है और snake killer भी है, that is mongoose. This animal has the head of a cow. उसका head जो है cow की तरह है. The skeleton of a bison. Skeleton है bison की तरह. The tail of a horse. Tail है horse की तरह. The hair of a goat. Hair है goats की तरह. And grunts like a pig. That is yuck. Yuck. Now eighth one. So eighth one. This animal eats snow in winter. Winter में वो snow खाता है, as well as in summer. Summer में भी. So water is readily available. उसको water readily available होता है. Which animal is this? This is seal. Ninth one. This is the biggest of apes. It looks ferocious but it is very gentle. ferocious है लगता है but वो बहुत gentle है, that is gorilla. 10th, its body is covered with long spines. The spines protect it from predators, that is porcupine. porcupine के spines उसे predators से protect करते हैं. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. So now lesson number 4, marsupial animals. You know what are marsupial animals? They are the animals whose babies are born in undeveloped stage. They keep their babies in the pouch in their body to develop them, like kangaroo. So let's read about these marsupial animals. First read this. Marsupial animals whose babies are in much undeveloped state, जो undeveloped state में होते हैं उनके baby. Some marsupial have a pouch in their bodies. कुछ marsupials के bodies में pouches होते हैं in which they keep their babies. उसमें वो अपने babies को रखते हैं till they are well developed. जब तक उनके babies अच्छे से develop होते हैं. Now identify the following marsupials. You may use the help box. हम उसके help box की help ले सकते हैं for identifying these marsupials. First one, it has a pointed nose. उसकी pointed nose होती है, that is ring-tail possum. ring-tail Now, second one, this animal baby is called a joey. इस animal baby को कहते हैं joey, that is kangaroo. Kangaroo baby is called a joey. Third one, it is one of the few mammals that have fingerprints. वो few mammals है जो जिसके fingerprints होते हैं, that is koala. Now, fourth one, it is a pouchless marsupial. उस पे pouch नहीं होता उसकी belly पे, that is numbat. NUMBAT. It is extant on the mainland. mainland पे extant है but still widespread in Tasmania, Australia. वहाँ पे है वो spreaded है कहाँ पे? Tasmania, Australia में. That is which animal? Eastern quail. It has a backward facing pouch. उसकी backward facing pouch होता है so that dirt doesn't enter that, जिससे dirt उसमें enter ना करे. That is bandicoot. Seventh one, it is a small gliding marsupial capable of gliding up to 50 meters. That is sugar glider. Eighth one, when attacked, it pretends to be dead. जो उस पर अटैक होता है वो dead की तरह act करता है, pretend करता है. Remains still, does not blink and hangs its tongue out. और blink भी नहीं करता, अपनी tongue को बाहर hang कर देता है. That is Virginia opossum. Now, ninth one, it has a grasping tail. उसकी grasping tail होती है which is hairless at the top. वो hairless होती है top पे. That is wombat. WOMBAT. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. So now let's begin with the lesson number 5, useful plants. How plants are useful to us and how which plant is useful to us, like henna plant, tulsi plant, and cardamom plant, many others plants. So let's talk about these. First read this. Many plants are used to produce useful medicines. Medicines बनाने के लिए भी कुछ plants useful होते हैं. In India, about 75% of all medicines come from plants. कहाँ से आती है 75% medicines? Plants से. Now answer the following question with the help of clue box. इस clue box की help से हमें answer करने questions को. Now first one, in Hindi its name is छोटी इलायची. हिंदी में कहते हैं उसको हम छोटी इलायची. Its seeds are added to खीर. उसके seeds हम किस में add करते हैं? खीर में. Sweet, savory, etc. they help in digestion. किस में help करती है वो? Digestion में. It is cardamom. Second one, the paste of the leaves of this plant is used for coloring palm, nails, feet and hair by ladies. It is a traditional Indian cosmetic. वो traditional Indian cosmetic है. It is henna. Now third, the leaves of the sacred plants are essential for in the worship of Hindus gods. Its soil destroys bacteria. उसकी soil क्या करती है? Bacteria को destroy कर देती है. Its decoction cures cold. उसका decoction क्या करता है? हमारा cold ठीक करता है. It is tulsi, that is sacred basil. Fourth one, it is a large tree. Its leaves give a yellow dye. उसकी leaves हमें yellow dye देती हैं. Its fruit pulp is used in making रसम. उसका fruit pulp क्या बनाने में use होता है? रसम बनाने में. Its timber is insect resistant. उसका जो timber होता है, that is insect resistant. It is tamarind. Fifth one, the oil obtained from this tree is an antibiotic. जो oil हमें इस tree से मिलता है, that is antibiotic. Dried leaves are spread on crows to keep insects away. Crows eats its bitter fruit. Crows उसके bitter fruit को खाता है. It is neem. Sixth one, it is added to pulao, rice and other foods for pleasant flavor. Peppermint oil is obtained from it. It is mint. Seventh one, the oil derived from its expensive perfume. जो oil derived कहाँ से मिलता है? हमें इसके expensive perfume से मिलता है. It's what is used to make dolls and figurines. It is उसका wood जो है क्या बनाने में यूज होता है? Dolls बनाने में. और figurines मतलब कोई भी figure बनाने में. It is sandalwood. Now, eighth one, the last one. These fruits are rich in vitamin C. A variety of pickles are made of these. There are two varieties of this fruit. Two varieties है इस fruit की. One larger than the other. वो दूसरी एक दूसरे से larger है. It is called poor man's apple. उसको poor man's apple कहते हैं. It is gooseberry. So that's all for this lesson. These things we get from these plants. Now let's move to the another lesson. So let's move to the lesson number 6, that is cat family. There is the cat family in which there are tiger, leopard, jaguar, puma, snow leopard and many others. Let's talk about them. The first, the wild cats given below are carnivorous animal. जो ये cats है यहाँ पे, ये सारी carnivorous animal है. and animals who belongs to cat family. कहाँ से belong करती है? cat family से. Can you identify? क्या आप इनको देख के identify करते हो कि क्या है ये? Write their names with the help of clue box. इस clue box की help से हमें इनके names लिखने हैं. First one, this member of cat family with spotted body is the fastest of all land animals. That is tiger, the national animal of India. Tiger, right? Tiger over here. Second, found in South America, this large cat has brown and white fur. उसके brown और white fur होता है. And black spots, उस पे black spots भी होता है. That is jaguar. That sounds like a fastest car. Third, a powerful and large brown cat found in the mountainous regions of North America and South America. That is puma. Puma. Now the cat has a short tail. Cat की क्या होती है? Short tail होती है. So fourth one, the cat has a short tail. Reddish brown fur होते हैं. उसकी dark spots. It can climb trees and swim. That is bobcat. Bobcat can climb and swim. Fifth one, also known as ounce. It is a large cat native to the mountain ranges of Central and Southern Asia. That is snow cat. That is also known as mouse. Ounce. A large wild cat with a yellowish fur with black hands found in Asia. That is Asian cat. The last one is Asian golden cat. You can write Asian cat also and Asian golden cat. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. So now let's begin with the lesson number 7, wild encounters. How the animals encounters them, कि अपने आप को कैसे बचाते हैं या अपनी प्रोटेक्शन कैसे करते हैं और कैसे अटैक करते हैं वो. So let's read this. You have seen a bees. वो झुंड में चलती हैं. They have many bees. जो उनका hive पे आप अटैक करोगे तो वो आप पे अटैक करेंगी and they will sting you. Some animals have strange ways of attack and defense. कुछ animals के strange ways होते हैं attack के और defense के. If you disturb a beehive, अगर आप beehive को disturb करोगे, hundreds of bees swarm on you. जो hundreds of bees है वो swarm करेंगी and sting you. और वो आपको sting कर देंगी. So this is the attack and defense system of bees. ये क्या है? bees का attack और defense system है. So let's move to the another name these insects. We have to name these insects with the help of this clue box. The marine murderer can inject a dart that can kill a human in 10 minutes. एक marine murderer है, वो अगर वो अपना इंजेक्ट कर देती डार्ट को तो वो 10 मिनट में ह्यूमन कैन डाई. दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक ईल. Second, this 8-limbed aquatic animal has its body enough poison to kill 10 adults. उसके 8-limbed aquatic animal है, has in its body, उसमें है enough, इतना poison है कि वो 10 adults को मार सकता है. That is blue ringed octopus. मतलब 10 animals को मार सकता है. Blue ringed octopus can kill approx 10 adults. Now, third, this creature has a sting. उसमें sting होता है on its tail. कहाँ पे? Tail पे उसकी. and it can inject powerful poison into your body, और वो powerful poison inject कर सकता है आपकी body के अंदर. That is black scorpion. Bark scorpion. It's not in the clue box, right? It's on your own. It's bark scorpion. Fourth one, the female of this insect raises its young ones. उसकी जो female है of insect raises its young one under toilet seats. Toilet seats के अंदर raise करती है अपने young ones को. It's disturbed. If disturbed, it can give you a painful bite. अगर आप उनको disturb करोगे तो painful bite दे सकते हैं आपको. That is red hack spiker. Red hack spider. Fifth one, the elongated aquatic animal can paralyze you by transmitting a current into your body. एक ऐसा aquatic animal वो अपना करंट अगर आपकी बॉडी में डाल दे तो आपको पैरालाइज कर सकता है. दैट इज लीच. Sixth one, it is capable of coiling itself around the victim body. वो coil कर सकते हैं victim body की तरह around. Even a big deer crush the bones of the victim and then swallow it. वो victim की bones को crush कर देते हैं और then swallow कर लेते हैं. That is scorpion. Now seventh one, on aquatic encounters with this animal, it attaches its firmly to your skin and sucks your blood. वो आपकी बॉडी पे ब्लड सक कर लेती है अटैच होके. दैट इज cone shell python. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. Now let's move to the lesson number 8, animal special. कि animals में क्या क्या special qualities होती हैं and we have to name these animals with their qualities. So from the clue box we have to fill in the blanks. First one, there are fewer dash in winter because their eggs can't hatch in cold. वो ठंड में उनके eggs hatch नहीं करते. The old one dies. जो पुरानी होती है वो मर जाती है. But the new ones cannot come out of the eggs. वो जो new ones होते हैं वो eggs में से वापस नहीं आ पाते. These are house flies, right? House flies. Second, termites are also called white ants. Ants. That is second. Third, the night vision of dash is 100 times as keen as that of human being. Night vision किसका बहुत ज़्यादा तेज होता है? That is owl. Owls. Fourth, dash shed their skin at regular intervals. 1 to 3 months according to their species. वो 1 to 3 months में अपनी species के according अपनी skin shed कर देते हैं. They are very dangerous. They are the reptiles. They are the snakes. Now fifth, dash of prey are those that hunt other animals. वो hunt करते हैं other animals को food के लिए. That are bats. And dash is the largest bird. It takes no trouble to make a large nest. वो large nest बनाने में उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. For itself, it scoops out some soil and lays its eggs there. वो अपनी soil निकाल के वहां पे अपने eggs lay करती है. That is ostrich. That can kill the human also by its one kick. Seventh one, when a bee hive gets overcrowded, जो beehive होता है वो overcrowded हो जाता है, a large number of dash leave the hive and establish a new colony. तो वो जो large number होते हैं वो अपने beehive को छोड़ देती हैं और एक new colony establish करती है. That is bees. Seventh one. Now, eighth one. Dash are animals which live both on land and in water. Amphibians live on both land and water. Ninth one. Dash have a better sense of smell than humans. उनकी better sense of smell होती है humans से. That are our pet also that lives in our houses. That is dogs. Now 10th one. Dash use high pitched sound to find their way. अपने way find करने के लिए high pitched sound होती है. They have developed their hearing to such an extent that they can find their way by the echo of their own sounds. That are ants. Right? Ants have so that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. Let's start the lesson number 9, that is insects world. वो insects का world कैसा होता है, उनमें क्या क्या special qualities होती है, वो कैसे रहते हैं. So let's get into the lesson. First one, fill in the blanks with the help of clue box. First, it is estimated that there are billions and billions of insects on earth. The total weight of insect is about dash times the weight of all people on the earth. कितना होता है weight उनका? 12. It can be correction over here, but I am writing 12 right now. The chick beetle has a dash light. Chick beetle की कैसी light होती है? Dash light मतलब orange light होती है. It turns it on while taking off and landing quite like an aeroplane. कैसे लैंड करता है? एरोप्लेन की तरह लैंड करता है जब ये अपनी लाइट को ऑन करता है. टेकिंग ऑफ, उड़ते टाइम. Like bees, dash have colonies. Like bees, honey bees have colonies of their own. There are doctors, nurses, warriors, storekeepers, cleaners, etc. in each colony. So now fourth one, a dash main job is to lay eggs. She can lay up to 3000 eggs in a day. उसकी job है eggs ही lay करना. That is queen bees. The buzzing sound made by the dash in the sound of its wings moving. That is bee. जो buzzing sound बनाते हैं अपनी wings को move करते time. Bee. Sixth one, a dash dies after its sting. क्या मर जाता है उनके sting के बाद? Sixth is honey bee. The grasshopper chirp is the sound of its dash rubbing together. Grasshopper की chirp कैसी sound होती है उसके rubbing together की तरह? That is termites. Eighth one, the dash lives longer than any other insect. क्या longer रहता है other insects की तरह? Termites. Wait. Seventh one is knees. Rubbing together. The grasshopper chirp is sound of its knees. जो grasshopper chirp करता है उसकी किसकी sound होती है? Knees की, जो rub करता है. Ninth one, the longest insect in the tropical region is dash insect. It goes up to 33 centimeter. That is stick insect. 10th and the last one of this unit, the heaviest insect is the dash. Its male weight about 100 grams. That is Goliath beetle. Goliath beetle insect is the heaviest insect और उसका इतना weight होता है, male का weight होता है 100 grams. So that's all for this unit. I hope you all liked the Natural's World unit. Thank you and have a nice day.